Hello and welcome back to another video. And now let us solve one more problem related to Java 8 stream. So in this, what problem are we going to solve is we need to find the policy holder who has made more than 2 claims. It can be more than 4 claims or 5 claims, but here we're only checking for a specific number which will be more than 2 claims, because if we want to check for more than 2 claims, then or less than 2 claims, then we also need to have that kind of data set as well. But as of now, our JSON is not that big compared to what we will be having in our production ready environment. So we will keep it simple. So now first we are going to open our method, which is same thing. The return type will be void, and then we will have more claims. And then because it is going to return us the customers, so we will open our list, which will be of customers. Define our method, more claims. And then we will open our stream under policy. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And then after opening stream, we are going to open our filter, and then we will open our insurance policy advanced. We'll open our lambda expression and get policy holder and then claims main. And then we are going to our operations here, more than 3. And then we can also make it 2, 1, whatever value you want to define here. We can also define this value in a property file also, but as of now we will put 3 assets. And then after that we are going to map it to our insurance policy, open our method reference, and then get policy holder, and then we are going to store it in our list, because we have to store this in our list. And then we are going to simply more claims dot for each, because there will be multiple values. And then we are going to simply use this out. And then after we complete this stream, we are going to pass our method into our controller, and then simply rerun our application. Okay, let us clear the logs and then quickly open our Postman and then fire the API, successfully executed. And now we can see that we only have one policy holder who has made more than 2 claims. He has made 3 claims. And now let us verify this in our JSON as well. So when we come to our JSON, we can see that we have policy holder 1. He has made 4 claims actually, and policy holder 2 who only made 1 claim. So now let us do one more thing and see what will happen if we change this value from 3 to 0. Let us see whether the output we expect here will be, we will have 2 values here. Right now we are only getting 1 customer information. As soon as I change to 0, we will be having both the customers, because currently we only have 2 customers present in our JSON. So once we change it to 0, let us see. Let us rerun it. Clear the logs and then fire again. Perfect. As you can see, changing the variable we are passing to our stream of number of claims made, we will have a different set of outputs. So as you can see, we have customer 1, which is John, having made claim which is greater than 0, and the person who has made claims only 1 time, which is Alice, which is also definitely greater than 0, because he or she has made 1 claim. So I think that's all for this video. This is a quick one, because now that's all for now, I guess. So please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Thank you.